How you doing? You join me today down Witches Point. Just do a couple of hours today in this hot weather. It's blistering hot now. Built up a sweat walking over the top. I'm on my second cast. First cast resulted in nothing, no bites. Baits were getting stripped. Well, both rods come in absolutely stripped, even the elastic. So I've just fired a second bait out now with a crab. So the target today is small eyes and hounds. I'm not sure how long I'm going to fish because of this heat. But it's looking good. Sea's flat. There's a little bit of a swell. That's coming off the bank out on Nash. So fingers crossed we can get a few fish for the camera, because you all know what I use. It's a simple 5-foot pulleys for the rays, 5-0 hooks, sandy and squid. And for the other rod it'll be a short 2-foot pulley rig with a 4-0 Cedra hook and a 3-0 BMX. So fingers crossed we can get some fish for the camera. Well, it's a simple squid head and a crab mounted onto a short pulley, knotless knot. The rod I always use for the channel, T900, casting special, £20 sport, £100 clear leader. And on the other one, double sand eel, squid wrap, 7-ounce lead onto a 5-foot pulley. Nice and simple. Oh, it was an epic fight. I left the rod down there. Nice hound. 8 pound maybe. There she is. Lovely fish. that hound back, as you've seen. About to cast out that rod. And the ray rod, sand eel and squid rips off. I'm getting too old for this. Here we go, hound number 4, caught me unexpected. I went to wind in to change the bait and I almost took the rod out my hands. It's very small, about £5. I literally took the bait as I went to go and change it, so I didn't capture the fight or the run on camera. I'm away. Switched over to a circle hook. I just dropped 2 in a row. Just nailed one. 3 will be a Mex there and a circle on the side. Nice one. That's number 5 now. There she is. They're very small, but good fun. Just saying on that hound just now, had a couple of drop runs on the octopus hook, switched over to the circle, nailed it straight away. This is a ray, this is. Tiny little small eye. Literally, as I was changing the battery, the left hand rod screamed off, and that's on the ray bait. So I think it's another small eye. Typical, I left the camera rolling. In that split second I change the battery, I get a bite. Yeah, she's on there. Oh, I got a bite on the hound rod. Oh my god, oh, there we are. So a ray on the one, a hound on the other. Oh no! Oh, she's there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's dropped slack. It's dropped slack. I don't even know how many I've had. I'm too hot to care. It's got to be well into double figures now. A couple of rays, a few hounds, nothing big. Good fun, double takes. Lost 3 as well. Switched the circle look and started nailing everything again. So, happy days. Fish is safe in the puddle. Just gonna get the other rod in. Another one on. Another one. There it is on the surface. Yeah. Small eye and a hound double take. Right, I'm in out of a mesh here now. That smooth down, absolutely nailed. And the circle look again. I think what's this? 10 runs, 7 landed, I think. Yeah, I lost 3. Happy days. Wow. In hell of a mess. Rods are going straight away. I'm not getting a chance to do anything. I'm not getting a chance to bait up. I'm in an absolute mess. I've just put them out now and the ray rod's gone straight away. So there's a ray sitting on the left hand rod. It's blistering hot. It's got to be close to 30 degrees. I'm dripping. I got 2 sand eel left and 1 crab left. I don't know whether to get them in, get that fish in, have another cast, or go home. It is absolutely boiling. So I've just put a fresh crab out on the right one as well. So I know there's a ray on the left, sitting on the left one. Mad, I did the whole flood, 6 hours, 4 bites. In a matter of an hour after high into the ebb, I've had, I don't know, a dozen bites. While it's in my hand, I'll just talk to you about this. This is the VMO 2-rod easy carry-all. Retail about 23 quid. You can fit 2 padded Century rod bags in there. You've got an outside pocket for a rod stand, an igloo, another rod, and the same on the other side. You've got 3 solid straps to hold it together, and a nice 2 handles. And when you've got your tripod and everything in here, it's balanced as well when you're carrying it. So I got 3 of these, all for my different types of fishing. Yeah, this is the easy one. It's $23.99, I think it is. And then we've got the competition one, which is twice the size. You can get 4 rods in there and igloo on the inside if you're doing competition fishing or a long weekend away. So, yeah, started to pack up now. That's the last rod in the water, out the water. I gave my last crab, my last sand eel to the guy fishing for bass. I'm done. Pack the rest of the gear down to a nice slow walk up Cardiac Hill at about 30 degrees. So that's all for me today. Until the next time.